Welcome to all. Today we have to see chapter number 9, Environmental Management, from Science and Technology Standard 9. Student, we know the two words, but the meaning of two words is given in the next slide, that weather and climate. Atmospheric condition at a specific time at a particular place are referred to a weather. Climate is along the term predominant condition of the atmosphere. Atmospheric condition depends upon variety of factors. Weather depends upon different conditions of air. So, weather related to climatic factors are temperature, visibility, rainfall, humidity, cloud, sunlight, and atmospheric pressure. Next point is change in weather. Climate does not continuously change. So, climate is that which remains constant in a region for a long duration. So we see that weather is related to a specific location and specific time, whereas climate is related to a longer duration and longer area. Change in the weather may occur for a short period of a time, whereas change in the climate takes place over a long duration. So we know that 23rd March is the World Meteorological Day. Importance of weather in the living world. Daily weather as a also long-term climatic condition influence human lifestyle directly or indirectly. Land, water bodies, plants, animals collectively form the natural environment on earth. This environment is responsible for the development of organization or organism. The climate of a particular region help to determine the diet, clothing, housing, occupation, and lifestyle of the people of that region. For example, the characteristic lifestyle of a Kashmir and Rajasthani peoples. Then, formation of oceanic current, water cycle, etc. are all related to various weather and climatic factors. Various climatic factors bring about the weathering of rocks in the earth crust. Climate plays a very important role in the formation and enrichment of soil. Microbes in the soil plays an important role in the formation of organic material. This process depends on various climatic factors. So it is very clear that study of metallurgy is very important from the viewpoint of human life. So we study about the metallurgy, the science that studies the interrelationship between various components of air, natural cycle, geological movements of earth and climate is called the metallurgy. Metallurgy includes study of storm, clouds, rainfall, thunder, lightning, etc. Indian Meteorology Department. The Indian Meteorology Department was founded by the British in 1875 at Shimla. Its head office is at Pune and its regional officers are at Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Nagpur, and Delhi. So this is about metallurgy. Metallurgy includes the study of storm, clouds, rainfall, thunder, lightning, etc. Monsoon model and climate prediction. The tradition of forecasting monsoon season in India is older than 100 years. After the famine of 1877, Blumford, the founder of IMD, had made such prediction for the first time, taking the snowfall in Himalaya at parameter as a parameter for this prediction. In the decade of 1930, then director of IMD, Sir Walker, had underlined the relationship between various worldwide climate factor and Indian monsoon, and based on available observations and previous recording related to the relationship, he put forth a hypothesis regarding the nature of monsoon. With the intuitive of Dr. Vasantrao Govarikar, in the decade of 1990, a monsoon model based upon 16 worldwide climate parameters was developed. This model was used from 1990 to 2002. Mathematical model, that is dynamic, holistic model, statistic model, are some models which are used to prediction of monsoon, and various technologies developed to study the climate change. So presently new model was being developed at the IITM. Work in progress at a two level, namely designing new model and developing new technology. The main focus is on development of the radar system and satellite technology. So these are the points in today's lecture, that monsoon model and climate prediction, meteorology, change in weather and climate.